Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Today we're addressing DTC codes B1662 and B1668, which indicate issues with the middle interior antenna and the rear shelf LF antenna circuits in the Honda CRV from 2017 to 2022. The middle interior antenna plays a crucial role in receiving signals for the keyless entry system. Located centrally in the vehicle, its proper functioning is imperative for effective communication between the key fob and the vehicle's body control module. The rear shelf LF antenna also serves a similar purpose, specifically communicating information necessary for the security functions. Both codes suggest an open circuit in their respective antennas. This guide will provide a detailed troubleshooting process to identify and rectify these issues effectively. The error codes B1662 and B1668 pertain to problems in the antenna circuits. The middle interior antenna connects with the keyless access control unit, essential for enabling features like remote unlocking and starting. The rear shelf LF antenna also connects to the same unit, securing communication for operational functions. Both antennas are strategically placed within the vehicle, the middle interior antenna being located centrally and the rear shelf LF antenna positioned at the rear. These circuits are vital for the vehicle's overall functionality, particularly in terms of security and entry features. If an open circuit is indicated, signal transmission is compromised, potentially disabling keyless operation. The possible causes for the DTCs B1662 and B1668 can vary. One primary reason is faulty antennas, which might not function even if they are properly connected. Inadequate or poor electrical connections can also lead to an open circuit, interrupting signal flow. Additionally, damaged wires or high resistance within the wiring can prevent proper function and create issues in the communication pathways of the vehicle. It is critical to consider these factors while troubleshooting. Each of these causes can equally impact the warranty of the vehicle's electronics. The symptoms linked with DTCs B1662 and B1668 may manifest as difficulties with keyless entry systems. Users might find it challenging to unlock doors remotely, or may experience failures when attempting to start the vehicle using the key fob. Additionally, erratic signal reception may occur, leading to inconsistent operations. These symptoms can significantly hinder the seamless user experience intended with keyless systems, indicating the need for immediate diagnostics. When these features fail, it denotes a crucial malfunction in the antenna circuits that requires urgent attention to ensure safety and functionality. The first step in troubleshooting DTCs B1662 and B1668 involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the existing diagnostic trouble codes. This action helps reset any temporary issues present in the vehicle's computer system. Following this, it's crucial to select the keyless access control unit from the One Push Start System menu. Accessing the self-check function within this system allows the technician to identify whether the issues persist after the initial reset. This methodical approach is critical in pinpointing whether the cause of the codes is intermittent or continuous. If the error codes reappear, it validates that further diagnostics are necessary. In this troubleshooting step, start by turning the vehicle to off or lock mode to ensure safety while performing checks. Disconnect the middle interior LF antenna 2P connector. This is key to isolate the antenna from the circuit. After disconnection, switch the vehicle to on mode and measure the voltage between the designated test points, specifically between the female terminals. This test checks if voltage is present. which will inform whether the antenna is faulty. If voltage is found, it indicates that the middle interior LF antenna may need replacement. Understanding these connection points is fundamental in effectively diagnosing the issue. This step entails turning the vehicle back to the off mode to facilitate secure and effective testing of circuits. Use a jumper wire to connect terminals A and B, which are the female terminals from the middle interior LF antenna connector. This connection is essential for testing continuity within the circuit and to confirm the integrity of the EXTM plus and EXTM minus lines. After connecting, disconnect the body control module connector F. Proceed to check the continuity between the specified test points on the body control module connector. If continuity exists, the wiring is functioning correctly, and the focus should shift toward potentially replacing the body control module if necessary. After following the outlined troubleshooting steps, it's imperative to conduct a final verification of the repair. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic system to clear any remaining DTCs from the vehicle's computer. Following this, perform a retest to ascertain if the previously indicated codes have reappeared. This ensures that the issue has been effectively resolved. Additionally, it is crucial to confirm that the antennas are operational by testing the keyless entry functionalities. A successful operation indicates that the repair has addressed the underlying issue of the open antenna circuits. Preventive maintenance is essential in ensuring the longevity and proper functionality of keyless entry systems in vehicles. Regular inspections of the antenna circuits can help identify any early signs of wear or failure. Failure to address these components proactively can lead to significant inconveniences later on. Regularly checking that all connectors related to the antennas remain secure and free from corrosion can aid in maintaining optimal performance. Lastly, consistently monitoring the vehicle's diagnostic system through regular usage of tools like HDS can preemptively catch issues before they escalate into major problems. Taking these steps will ensure the reliability of your vehicle's systems. In conclusion, addressing DTC's B1662 and B1668 involves a systematic diagnostic approach to troubleshoot and repair open antenna circuits effectively. Understanding the functionalities of both the middle interior antenna and rear shelf LF antenna is crucial, as they play vital roles in keyless access. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps not only resolves current issues, but also helps in recognizing patterns that may indicate future problems. Commitment to routine maintenance, including regular inspections and ensuring secure connections, will play an integral part in the long-term reliability of your vehicle. Adopting these practices ensures that the user experience with keyless access remains seamless and efficient. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.